Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal, matric number I181028112. Today I will talk about chapter 12, Enhancing Decision Making. Subtopic 12.2, How do information systems support the activities of manager and management decision making? This subtopic, they have three main points, which is managerial roles, real-world decision-making, and the last one, high-velocity automated decision-making. For managerial roles, managers play key roles in organization. Their responsibility range from making decisions to writing reports to attending meetings and arranging birthday parties. Analyzing managers' day-to-day behavior, Mintzberg found that these managerial roles fell into three categories, which is interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Interpersonal roles. Managers act as a figureheads for the organization when they represent their companies to the outside world and perform symbolic duties such as giving out employee awards in their interpersonal roles. Managers act as leaders, attempting to motivate, counsel, and support subordinates. Managers also act as a liaisonist between various organizational levels. Within each of these levels, they serve as liaisons among the members of the management team. Managers provide time and favors which they expect to be returned. Informational roles. In their informational roles, managers act as the nerve center of their organization, receiving the most concrete, up-to-date information and redistributing it to those who need to be aware of it. Managers are therefore information disseminator and spokesperson for their organization. For decisional roles, managers make decisions. In their decisional roles, they act as entrepreneurs by initiating new kinds of activities. They handle disturbance arising in the organization. They allocate resources to staff members who need them, and they negotiate conflict and mediate between conflicting groups. Now we move to another point, real-world decision-making. We now see that information systems are not helpful for our managerial roles, and in those managerial roles where information system might improve decision, invest in information technology do not always produce positive results. There are three main reasons: information quality, management filter, and organizational culture. Information quality. High-quality decisions require high-quality information. If the output of the information system does not meet these quality criteria, decision-making will suffer. Management filters. Even with timely, accurate information, managers often make bad decisions. Managers, like all human beings, absorb information through a series of filters to make sense of the world around them. Next is organizational inertia and politics. Organizations are bureaucracy with limited capabilities and competency for acting decisively. When environment change and businesses need to adopt new business models to survive, strong forces within organization risk making decisions calling for major change. Decisions taken by a firm often represent a balancing of the firm's various interest groups rather than the best solution to the problem. And the last point of this subtopic is high-velocity automated decision making. Today, many decisions made by organizations are not made by managers or any humans. For instance, when you enter a query into Google search engine, Google has to decide which URLs to display in about half a second. The class of decisions that are highly structured and automated is growing rapidly. What makes this kind of automated high-speed decision-making possible are computer algorithms that precisely define the steps to be followed to produce a decision. Very large database, very high-speed processor, and software optimized to the task. In this situation, humans, including managers, are eliminated from the decision chain because they are too slow. This also means organizations in this area are making decisions faster than the manager can monitor or control. That's all for today. Thank you.